Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Evans, and on this channel we share photography tips, videography tips. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing as we try to release at least one video per week. One key advice that I always give people trying to go into content creation and videography is that always try to find a way to stabilize your footage. One of the best ways to stabilize footage in a run and gun situation or when you're on the go is a gimbal. So in this video we're going to unbox the Zhiyun Weebill S. Let's get started. So here's the Weebill LAB. Comes in a box like that, and we're gonna quickly unbox this. So I'm gonna cut out okay. So here you have a list of accessories that you could potentially get for your Weebill S. Inside this pouch you have a quick start guide and a service card. And here is what the Weebill LAB comes in. Unlike most gimbals, this just comes in a styrofoam package and is not a carry case. I believe my Ronin S came in a carry case. This one doesn't. It comes in this styrofoam packaging that doesn't have any handle, so you can't really use it as a carry case. Alright, so take off this, and here we are. This is what comes in the box. You have your quick release plate, you have your riser, you have here 2 batteries, and I believe these are 18650 batteries. You have the battery charger, and right here inside this box I believe you have your camera connection cables. And this is the USB-C charger for the gimbal itself. Screws. I believe this will go for the riser plates. And then you have the small tripod. Sorry, and here is the Weebill S. Very nice, small and compact. Alright, so this is the parts that comes in with the kit, as you can see. So let's put it together quickly. I'm going to put a tripod right down here. Alright, so I'm going to charge up the batteries and then take a look at it. But quick first impressions. Looks quite nicely done. It's quite compact. I like the grip on the mini tripod here. Now this tripod also can go up here, so you can hold this in an underslung mode easily. And each of the axes has this locking mechanism here that locks each one of them. Makes for easy balancing. I also like the fact that it comes with this screen right here. You know, my Ronin S didn't have that, so I'm kept wondering what I can change from the controls on this screen here. Alright, so that's a quick look and unboxing for the Zhiyun Weebill S. In the next video, I'm going to try to balance my Sony a7 III with the Tamron 28-75 on this gimbal. That's my favorite. That's the setup I use the most on gimbals, and I want to make sure that this gimbal will be able to balance that setup without me having to maybe remove the eyepiece. So we will take a look at that in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to this channel and ring that bell button so you get notified whenever I release new videos. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and keep creating.